So, I have a really good and useful GoPro accessory from NiceyRig that I want to share with you today. And since it's Thursday, let's start the clock. So the company NiceyRig sent this to me. I have used a few backpack clamps, and this one is by far the quickest, but also incredibly secure, and it's made with quality aluminum alloy. It has 2 separate slots, which will fit most thickness levels of straps, and it will swivel 360 degrees, but also you can tilt it 180 degrees. I mean, why would you want that shot? I don't know, but you have the option. This is by far the easiest and quickest, and at the moment of recording it, you can pick this thing up for $27. I'll be sure to put a link in the description plus a surprise link so that you can go and check that out. Oh no, almost out of time. I still have one small little product to share, just a little bit more time. All right, check this out. This is actually a cold shoe mount, and not just for the GoPro. This will work with any other action camera. But why would you want something like this? Well, you could put it on top of your big camera if you want to get like another point of view while you're shooting. Also, you could put it in one of those ring lights, and now you have a really cool looking rig. And usually if you want to achieve something like this, you have to get a little cold shoe mount with a screw, and then you'll have to get the GoPro screw attachment. But this is nice because it's all in one. And if you look at the bottom, there's also a screw thread, so you can put it on any regular tripod as well. This will swivel around 360 degrees, and you can also tilt it 180 degrees as well. And guess what? The price for this comes in under $10, which is a really good price for an accessory like this. All right, time is officially up. Make sure you go check down in the description if you're interested in something like this. It's an unbiased review. I do not get any affiliates for this. I'm just sharing this because it's really nice. Both of these things. I like this kind of point of view. But that's it for today's video. Don't be a stranger. I have a lot of cool gear to get to and review, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Mr. Black.